Everyone knows Windows is the secured system. You can't enter into the system without password. You can change the password of Windows system without knowing old password. So here I present you a trick. With this trick you can change your Windows 7, 8 and 10 passwords without knowing old password. This method is very useful when you forget your Windows password. With this method, you can prank your friends. Here I post this trick with 2 methods. Choose which way is easy for you. Share this tricks with your buddies. Method -1 Change Windows 7 and Windows 10 password without knowing old password from Windows settings. Step 1 Press Windows key and find your computer option on left side. Right-click on computer and open Manage option. Step 2 Now you see Computer Management dialog box on your screen. Click on System Tools Local Users and Groups Users. Step 3 Now on right side you see your all users name. Step 4 Select account, right click on it and choose Set Password. Step 5 Now the new pop-up open, click on Proceed button. Now you need to enter the new password and confirm them, then click on OK button. Step 6 Now your login password has been successfully changed. You can restart your system and check with your new password. So with this trick you can change any Windows system password without knowing old password. This trick works in all Windows versions like Windows 8 and Windows 10. Method -2 Change Windows 7 and Windows 10 password without knowing old password from command prompt. Step 1 Click on Windows Start menu and type CMD in the search box. Then select CMD and run as administrator. Step 2 After that type command in CMD. Now you can replace Profit with your username and 123,456 with your new password. Now your password has been successfully changed without knowing old password. You troll your friends with these tricks. For more Windows skills see our Windows section in the blog.